Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you change your Minecraft name, okay? So you can change your name in Minecraft. Now, some people mistake to changing your Minecraft name to your Xbox gamer tag if you're signed in with a Microsoft account, not a Mojang account. But it's pretty easy. It's not that hard, actually. So I'll show you how. First of all, you're going to launch Minecraft. Once you launch Minecraft, you're going to click on the top left corner. Okay, and then from the top left corner, you're going to manage down to something called Manage Minecraft Java Edition Profile. Not Manage Profile only, because this is going to redirect you to the Xbox Live account. So you're going to click on Manage Minecraft Java Edition Profile, and then when you click on it, you're going to sign in. But since you're going to have two options: to sign in with the Mojang account or to sign in with your Microsoft account. I'll sign in with the Microsoft account. So once you sign in with the Microsoft account, you're going to go whatever version you actually picked, you actually bought, and then I'm going to go on to something called Minecraft Java Edition Profile Name. Okay, so I'm going to click on Profile Name, and once I click on Profile Name, as you can see, you cannot change. I just changed my name, so you cannot change your name until each in 30 days. So after 30 days, I'm going to be able, I can change it again in 14 days. But when you go on to here, you're not going to find this unless you've actually changed your name from the past 30 days. But you're going to find a place where you can actually change your name and then accept and then continue. Once you change it, it's just going to work perfectly fine, and you just changed your name, as you can see. But you need to be on Minecraft's website, not on Xbox Live's website, because a gamer tag is completely different from each and every game gamer's tag. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.